lovers, you're welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, my name is Usman and I create content on natural hairstyling, braids and more. So if you're interested, do want to stick with me till the end of this tutorial.
So yeah, let's first take down our afro pony. I did this using kinky and I would do a tutorial on that, but for now let's focus on today's look. Okay, I washed my hair the night before and then kept them in twists just so it would be easier when I'm working with them. So throughout this tutorial I'll be using my rat tail comb, this echo styling gel, and then my brush, Bristol brush. Okay, so let's just do a square part in the front part of our hair and then we're going to start the tutorial. Listen, this is super easy and I believe everyone can do this, so do also stick with me till the end. Okay, so now that we have created the square part, let's just twist that away and work on the rest of our hair. So the idea is to hold the hair in a ponytail, okay, but then it should be like on top of my head, sort of. So I decided to start holding them in sections, not me looking like Lord Dunbury here. So this was supposed to be a no gel hairstyle, okay, so I ended up using just a little gel, but I think you can do that without gel. So if you do not want to use any gel in your hair, then you can just go with that. Okay, I just used the gel on the surface since I was going for a minimal look. Okay, so the whole idea again is to hold the hair in a bun, but then holding it all together would look a little bulky, so I had to do it in sections just so everything lays down flat, just like you see me do. And then I used my Bristol brush to just brush my edges and keep my hair perfectly laid down. Next thing I did was to use a scrunchie to hold it finally. So for this particular, I used two scrunchies. This is not like the scrunchie we all know, but let's just call it a scrunchie. Okay, it's not rubber band, it's not a rubber band, so I mean it's a little safe for our hair. Introduce this kinky twists because this kinky extension because I wanted to do some twists, like big chunky twists with my hair. My hair isn't really that long enough, or it can actually do it, but then I just decided to go with this. Okay, just like you saw me do, I divided a kinky extension that I had into two and then held it using this elastic band. I thought let's call it a scrunchie, right? So let's go. Let's take a little piece and then wrap around the base of your hair to hide the color of the scrunchie and then also to keep it firm. Okay, so this kinky texture is the same as my hair, like it's the exact texture, but then the color and everything blends perfectly with my hair. Thing I did is to section my natural hair, okay, into two, add one to each section of the kinky twist, the darling kinky extension, and then I went ahead to do some chunky twists. Okay, so I just twisted all the way down to the end, and then yeah, that was it. But if your hair isn't like really long and you have to do the base, the twisting very tight, okay, just so it doesn't unravel. Okay, and then I just fastened where my hair ended okay, I just fastened that part with the rubber band, okay, to keep it secured. Then I just wrapped the rest of the kinky extension around my hair like this and then tagged it in using the bobby pin. Like that is this is the style. Okay, this is not difficult, it's very easy. Just grab that kinky extension and let's go. If your hair is long, then you wouldn't really need the kinky extension. Okay, so yeah, let's just use this bobby pin that we have, so the pion pion, to secure it, and then we are good to go. So I just decided to add a little gel, okay, to keep it sleek, small opaque. Idea was for us to not use gel, but then I mean just a little wouldn't really spoil anything. I just applied a little and then use my Bristol brush to lay everything down. Gel way. Who can see that gel? Can you see? I just use the Bristol brush to lay everything down, and that is it. So now I like to work on the front part of our hair, okay? So for the front part, see, I've just divided it into two. Let's just maintain it that way. And then I would be doing 3 strand braids, okay, 3 strand braids all the way down to the end. I'll be doing 2. So the first one is the one I'm doing, and then the second one will be on the leave out, the parts that I've left out, okay? So just do 3 strand braids all the way down to the end. Do same on the other side, and then you're good to go. So I would want to leave it like this, and then let's lay our edges first. Hold it down using this elastic band. Yeah, it's a band, it's stretchy, okay? And then let's add some beads, okay? But first, let's go do our makeup. And here we are. What do you think about my look? Is this appealing to your eyes? I just place the beads on the crochet hook, okay? And then I attach that to my natural hair. And then I fastened using the black rubber band, and that was all. I did same on the other side as well. Actually leave out the beads if you are not more of a bead person, okay? So just the 3 strand braids in front is okay, but if you want to add the beads like I did, then that is your choice. Nobody is stopping you. Anyways, this brings us to the end of today's tutorial. What do you think about this look? Would you love to try this? Would you recommend this to a friend? Let me know down below in the comment section your thoughts. Thank you all so much for watching, and as usual, I'll see you all in my next one. Bye.